Welcome back to the ACE platform. Today we have another example of ACE simplifying and speeding up daily tasks. One very common resource that we're asked by clients is an EC2 machine with the OpenVPN configured as a tunnel so they can connect to their instance and other resources running on a private subnet from their local machine safely. So today I'll show you how this can be easily achieved with ACE. And I've pre-made a prompt here that is pretty much a to-do list, and I did it this way to show you that you can pass this very long step-by-step prompts to ACE, detailing specific parts that you strictly want to be in a certain way. And because ACE isn't just an AI chat following a linear workflow, but rather an agent AI, it'll iterate through the list and it'll understand what's being asked and it'll try to create its own checklist with the best order of action to achieve the proposed state and criteria described in your prompt. So in this prompt, I'm asking ACE for a Terraform project, always use infrastructure as code, to provide a basic VPC with a public and a private subnet, internet and net gateways, an EC2 instance with some user data to download and prepare, OpenVPN for installation, Elastic IP, and so on. So now let's send the message and wait for ACE to do its thing. ACE uploaded the Terraform files to the bucket I gave it, zipped for organization, very good. So let's go download it and apply it. As you can see, everything was planned successfully, so time to apply it. Now that the resources are up, let's hop to the AWS console to check on our infrastructure, shall we? Okay, now here on the console, let's filter for the name of our instance. And here we have our VPN server, and I also manually created a test instance in the same VPC, but in the private subnet so we can test our VPN. Alright, now I will connect to the server instance to do the initial setup of OpenVPN, and I'll be back once I'm done. I'm done with the configuration, so time to start the OpenVPN server on my local machine to try and connect to my instance in the private subnet. Okay, as you can see, it connected successfully to my server instance. Very good. So now let's try to ping my test instance to validate the connection. So I have here with me the IP of the instance that is running on the private subnet, so let's ping it. And as you can see, we're being able to reach the instance that is in the private subnet through the OpenVPN server that is sitting right now in the public subnet. And that means that now we can safely reach all of our resources that are running on private subnets without directly exposing these resources to the internet.